So check it out. Here's another Lionel behemoth I was able to add to the roster. Of course, it's the Berkshire. It's a post-war, number 736. It comes with a magnet traction and smoke unit. This one looked to be in pretty rough shape. It had been painted, or so I thought. But then when I went to wipe the headlight lens with a Mr. Clean Magic eraser pad, I noticed it wasn't paint. It was just layers of nicotine. It just reeked of it. And so I was able to get it off and get it the finish cleaned up really nice, and it's actually in really nice shape. The numbers on the cab are nice and crisp, and I polished up the railings, and I also polished the side rods a little bit. There is one screw missing on the other side from the side rod, but I've got some on order, but it still runs really good. And so I cleaned and I lubed the armature and the wheels, and I added rail sounds tender, because the one that came with it, I'm pretty sure I can get the whistle tender to work, but the shell's just beat up and cracked and just no good. So I'm hoping to be able to find a new shell for it. I know that's a little bit more rare tender than the other one, so it'll be a little more pricey. But anyway, we'll run the rail sounds tender, and we also have some custom cars behind it. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. Smoke unit works really nice on this one. Especially with the magnet traction, it's a really good puller. We'll pick the camera up, we'll kind of follow it around a little bit. Wow, this one smokes really good. And we'll put the camera back down. We'll try to anyway. Not causing too much fuss. All right, runs great, smokes great, and it really looks nice. I'm really happy with it. So I think I gave about 75 bucks for it. So I'm pretty happy with the price too. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.